Welcome to Checkbuster. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to conduct an inspection. Know that inspections are based on templates. Make sure that you have activated templates in your domain to conduct an inspection on, as you can see right here. Now, go back to your dashboard, click on Inspections. Click on Add Inspections. If you have set up locations, you can now select the location where you want to conduct the inspection. After the selection, you must choose the template you want to base your inspection on. So we're going to name this Demo Inspection. You can scroll through your templates and select the inspection you want to conduct. Today we'll choose the demo template to inspect. Now you can conduct your inspection. There are various inspection items possible. You can also divide your template in multiple sections, so your inspection has also multiple inspections. As you can see right here, we're going to start with section 1. And go to the next section. Now we're going to go to Show Report. Here you will see your grade and a summary report by selecting the positive or negative or open mark. You can show these items in the summary report below and share them directly. As you can see, open, closed. You can also download the full report or share the full report with everybody you like by mail. We hope that we have been able to help you to conduct your first inspection. Enjoy our platform. Checkbuster. Inspect and report, share and improve.